Sanibonani ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is KZN Podcast. I-channel yethu, i-channel yakho, i-channel yayo wonke umuntu olapha. Today we're speaking about MK Labour Desk. Abangabantu ke abahamba babheke la esigangeni babheke emafemini, babheke indaweni zonke lezo ekusolakala ukuthi kuqashwe khona abantu bokufika ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bavule ikhala, bavulela ama-South Africans. Siyazi ukuthi impela nje bankanisile inkosi yami i-MK yaphuma ubusuku nemini njalo ihambe iyobheka laba bantu laba, but hayi ihlangane ney'ntwana ney'mbila ayithutha, ihambe ifika lapha ya Albert Luthuli iyokhipha lokuthiwa uDr HR Ndemera, kuthiwa uyi-acting manager nurse. Guys, akayedwa njalo naso engwavuma, kukhona u-CEO yakhona kuthiwa waseZimbabwe, kukhona i-CEO usinga isibhedlela khona wase-China, kwenye indawo khona wase-Nigeria. Aqondakali ngempela ukuthi eSouth Africa kwenzakalani, noma yabo mekuthiwa khona into ekuthiwa i-Republic, i-Banana Republic, kukhulunywa into efana nale, because there is no way that ngingaphathwa abantu bokufika nje basiphathe nje noma kanjani, bangagcini kanjalo ayibo kuthiwa naseMoyo River khona wase-Nigeria. Like, how do you fanele ngabe labantu abakanje mhlawumbe udokotela othile kuthiwa lo dokotela ukwazi ukunqumana izinqa noma unqumana indlebe, yabo kube bona ke abantu mhlawumbe kuthiwa ke yibona abaqashwayo eSouth Africa, kanti cha kuthiwa i-MK nokuthi kuthiwa i-MK ke kuthiwa uDemera lo waseZambia ke nophethe lapha yana Albert Luthuli bakhala ngokuthi ke uxoshwa ama-South Africans uyaphethe kabe yahlukumezwa mangabe kukhulunywa nawo vela thina wazana nomagugu MEC, so ngeke atshelwe abanye abantu. Hambile ke MK yathi yozama ukuthi imkhiphe uxoxisana naye, bafika unomagugu sebavelele ngamaphoyisa, ihluleke yancama amasobe ukugcwela ama-security eshaya i-MK, kwafika amaphoyisa bathi singama-member of parliament, kwathiwa nope aningeni lana, kwathiwa sicela uzoxoxa no-CEO phela ophethe lekhaya, kwathiwa no akungenwa lapho. MK ke ibe isiblema kunomagugu Simelane-ke yasho ukuthi cha impela kusho ukuthi uLentuzane unomagugu uyena ngempela oxhumene nalo muntu. Kuthiwa the members of parliament who were denied entry, uNkosentsha Shezi ophuma kwi-National Assembly kwi-MK noPelgasa ophuma lapha kwi-KZN legislature, kanye-ke nabanye kade befikile-ke abamalungu nje anormal. Bathi-ke our next move that will visit the hospital and announce, bathi-ke bazobuyela lapha bayobheka lesibhedlela benga-announcile ngoba njengoba de be-announcile bavele bafika lapha sebenkanyiselwe ngamaphoyisa. We want the leadership of the hospital to remove the head of nursing department, who's a Zambian and hire a South African. Kuthiwa meanwhile the KZN Department of Health released a statement condemning a malicious smear campaign being worked by an individual so-called MKPA whatever desk. Bathi i-statement selentuzane sakanomagugu sithi laba abathi unomagugu involved, they trying to bathanishe isithunzi sanomagugu Simelane ngoba bona bathi unomagugu has nothing to do with ukuqashwa kuka logogo lomama lwaseZambia. The central allegations that a foreign national was improperly hired as a nursing manager is false and durability misleading. The facts are as follows: the nursing manager post was advertised twice, no suitable candidate was found. Bathi-ke bazama buthina ukuthi bona ba-advertise kodwa-ke azange itholakale i-candidate, baphinda futhi-ke ba-advertise bangatholakali. Base bethi-ke uDr Ndemera lo olaphayana solokhu aqala ukusebenza eSouth Africa before 2015, bathi usehlala eSouth Africa for 25 years, basokhuluma isiZulu nurse vendor fluently and served as an assistant nurse manager for critical care. But MSc Smelane had no involvement in this internal process and have never met with Dr. Demera before this allegation. Basho kanjalo-ke bekhipha istatement. Kodwa-ke ithe MK kulungile siyabuyela emuva kodwa masibuya sizobuyela singa-announcanga ukuze sifike amasosha engekho. But now ngiyacabanga maybe befike benga-announcile uzophuma kanjani uDemera ngoba phela manje fanele ngabe uya guys Banana Republic lena.
Awuthethe mzala wami
Sangena la.
Awuthethe mzala wami
Sangena la. Awethu phansi ngonomakhukhu Smelane phansi Demara phansi Ohete phansi ANC phansi amaboys are corrupt phansi official are corrupt phansi sinama-foreigner angena ama-document phansi wethu no comrades njoba sike sasho ekuqaleni ukuthi igate belivuliwe la wonke imoto ekade ingena ama-ambulance zingena livuliwe igate singayiphazamisi zingena njengamanje amaphoyisa avale igate azalilokha kade singangeni ngenkani wabe sisalinde imessage from la ngaphakathi njengamanje sekunento ethi ngathi ithini esivimbile angingeni lutho kanti wona avalile amaphoyisa ngizocela-ke comrades senzeni kanje ngamasibongo sime lapha la kade sikhona kade sikhuluma ekuqaleni sisalindele abantu esaxhumana nabo ukuthi betshela amaphoyisa ukuthi awasivulele amaphoyisa enze into wrong. Awukwazi ukuthi uyiphoyisa wena ufuna ukwenza into against umthetho. Uma uyiphoyisa wena usu-understand umthetho wena unelungelo lokuprotecta umthetho. Awukwazi ukuthi uyiphoyisa uvimbe ilunga lephalamende lisiliza ngaphakathi ngoba kusho i-official elingaphakathi eli-corrupt. Iphoyisa selitshelwa isigebengu ukuthi alenzeni into engakaze yenzeke leyo, but khona abantu esazama ukuxhumana nabo-ke okuyibona bazodlulisa imessage kumaphoyisa ukuthi awasivulele singene. Makumele kungena ama-member of parliament engangena nobani engangena esibhedlela ngaphandle uma uthi ayikho into azoyidestroya ngaphakathi ngiyakuphazamisa ukusebenza. Le nto eyenzeka la i-wrong nje le nto eyenzeka la ngaphakathi. But-ke comrades namasibongo ngizocela siyoma lapha sisalokhu siyilungisa le nto ukuthi sizongena kanje ngoba asisafuni kube yithiwa amaphoyisa sithatha kancane. Sekumele kusuke instruction from phezulu ibatshele ukuthi abasivulele la amaphoyisa uma engasithembi sizongena nawe beyiphathi emeeting hayi kusebenzisa izikhuma zey'mpilo sizongena namaphoyisa angaphakathi siyokhuluma lesi ke siyoyikhuluma. uDemari kuthiwe akekho umuntu one-qualification anayo la eSouth Africa. Siwaphethe nama-qualifications abantu abafundiswa sozoqasha abantu bakoZambia. Siyeze ukhona namanye amaphoyisa kuma-position amakhulu lapha abangaphandle saba amaphoyisa. Kodwa-ke comrades namasibongo ngizocela ukuthi-ke simeni lapha amaphoyisa meliqhubeka adecide ukuvala kanje kubokwawo asifundeli angithiwe i-MK Labour Desk yafika yavala isibhedlela. Siya-understand ukuthi iy'mpilo zabantu abanaphathi kumele bethole usizo kuney'mpilo ekumele y'sinde la ngaphakathi. Ngeke thina siphazamise ukusebenza kuze abantu abangenacala beze bedlule emhlabeni or begcine bengatholanga usizo. Ingakho ngithi comrades ngizocela nje simuveni nje sime lapha solo sini-adressa.